Good day. In this video, we are going to talk about the indefinite integrals and its properties. So integration reverses the process of differentiation. An antiderivative of a function or f of x is a function f of x such that f raised to 1 is equal to f of x for all x. So let me present to you the following basic properties of indefinite integral. So we have the first property, the integral of dx is equal to x plus c, and then the second property of indefinite integral is the integral of k dx or is equal to k integral of dx, where your k is a constant. And the third property is the integral of x raised to n times dx is equal to 1 or x raised to n plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus c, where your n is not equal to 0. Okay. So let's have examples for these properties. So let's say we have the first example. So we have the integral of 3 times dx. So since this problem is just same as the first property for this second property, which is k dx, so we're going to the integral of this one is 3, or the form for this one is 3 integral of dx, right? The same with this one, second property. So we know that the integral of dx is equal to x plus c, right? So just 3 again, the integral of dx is equal to x plus c. So we're just putting x plus c here. X plus c. And then distributive property. So is equal to 3x plus c. Okay? So this is the integral for the answer for the first problem. So we will not multiply 3 and c, since c is already a arbitrary constant, or it can be any value. Okay, so let's have another example for this property. The integral of 9 dx. Okay, 9. So again, for the first property as our guide, so it's the same for the second property. So is equal to 9 integral of dx. So again, 9. So dx, the integral of dx is equal to x plus c. So again, x times x plus c. Then distributive property, 9x plus c. So that's how you will get the integrals for these two problems. So let's have another example for another property. Third example. Okay, so the integral of x raised to 8 times dx. Okay. So this third problem is just same for the third property. They have the same form. So we're using this guide. Okay. So the integral of x raised to 8 dx is equal to x, Just copy the n, where n is the exponent. So the n here is equal to 8 plus 1. Okay? All over, and again, 8 plus 1. So then copy the plus c. Then solve. So x is equal to x raised to 8 plus 1 is equal to x raised to 9. 8 plus 1, so we have 9. Then copy the c. So this is the integral for the third problem. I hope you follow my explanation. So for last example, so we have the integral of x raised to 12 dx. Okay, so just same for the third property. Okay, so is equal to x, Rn is equal to 12 plus 1 all over 12 plus 1, then copy the plus c, and then solve. So we have x, we have plus 12 plus 1, so we have 13, all over 12 plus 1, we have 13 plus c. Okay, so this is the final answer or the result for this problem. So I hope you understand my tutorial for this video. Thank you so much and have a great day.